This is Hostinger Horizons, and it's completely different from the other two options. Horizons is what's called vibe coding. Instead of dragging and dropping elements or installing themes, you describe what you want to build in a prompt, and Horizons builds it for you using AI. Before we get into how it works, there's something important to know about this. Horizons runs on a credit system. Every time you send a prompt to the AI, it costs 1 credit. The hosting plan you chose earlier comes with a limited number of credits. Premium gives you 15, Business gives you 30, and Cloud Startup gives you 50. And for a simple project, that might be all you need. But if you want to do more, you can buy additional credits or grab a standalone Horizons plan with more credits and features. I'll leave a link in the description to the standalone Horizons plan just in case you want to get a better deal for Horizons specifically. So here's how it works. You type in what you want to build. Something like, build me a modern website for a freelance photographer with a portfolio gallery and contact form, and Horizons will generate the entire project for you. Once it's built, there's an Edit Content tab where you can update text and images for free. No credits needed. For bigger changes like adding a new section or rebuilding part of the page, you ask the AI on the left and it handles it. Every one of those changes costs 1 credit. And here's a quick tip. Submit big changes as separate prompts instead of cramming everything into one. You'll get better results that way and waste fewer credits. What really sets Horizons apart is the fact that it handles backend features too, things like storing contact form submissions and user data. And if you want to accept payments, you can connect Stripe directly to your project. If you want to dive deeper into this, I have a full step-by-step Horizons tutorial linked in the description. And if you haven't grabbed your hosting plan yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. That link will make sure you're getting the best deal available. And there's also special discount links for Hostinger Horizons and VPS plans linked down below as well.